Okay, good morning everyone. So here is your first performance task in English. The task title is Exploring Culture Through Storytelling, Analyzing an Afro-Asian Short Story. So what we're going to do? Okay, your task description will be this. Write a literary analysis of an Afro-Asian short story that reflects the culture and values of its origin. You will analyze the story's element and reflect on how culture shapes its characters, setting, conflict, and the theme. So, okay. So, instruction number one, choose an Afro-Asian short story from the selection provided. Example, The Mats by Francisco Arciliana, The Wedding Dance by Amador Daggio, The Hands of the Black by Luis Bernardo Juana, or The Last Leaf by O. Henry, adapted in an Asian context. Then, read and analyze the story. So, choose only one. Focus on the following elements. You're going to give the plot structure of this story. You're going to identify what is the exposition, the rising action, the climax, falling action, and the resolution of this story. Then, for number two, setting in its cultural relevance. So what is the cultural relevance of this story? Three, main and supporting characters. Identify. Four, types of conflict, internal or external, and what kind of external conflict? Man versus nature, versus society, etc. Then identify the theme and the message being conveyed of this story, short story, and what is the cultural and values reflected. So you are going to write a 2 to 3 page literary analysis essay, including a brief summary of the story, including the author's background, analysis of the plot structure, explanation of how the characters reflect the story's cultural background, then description of the conflict and how it's contribute to the theme. And of course, don't forget your reflection on what the story reveals about Afro-Asian culture. So these pages can be typed or neatly handwritten.